Hello everyone, welcome to the another tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to run a program in ns3. So for that we are move into the ns3 directory, open the terminal. Now I am open the terminal. You can directly go here, so click the terminal, or otherwise you can press Ctrl Alt T. The terminal will be open. So first one, we redirected into our ns3 directory, cd space ns and ns. So this is our ns version, ns-3.41. this one is the latest version, and in that we are going to run a first program, right? So /ns3, we are going to run ns3, right? ns run space. So our file, the program file is located in scratch folder. So if you run any program, you have to move the program file into the scratch folder, right? So scratch / the file name. Now we are going to run a ns3 first example. So basically I am do some addition on that program. This is my file name, echo.cc. So here you can see plus 2 seconds, client send 1024 bytes to IPv4 port 9, and 2 seconds the server receive 1024 bytes port. So basically how it's happened, right? So now we are going to see the program, and also in this video I am show this animation also using NetAnim. So don't skip this video. So this is our program. Actually first we creating a two nodes, node 0 and node 1. This is the IP version 4. So first we are using header files. So these header files for core network applications and internet network, and also the point-to-point network, right? Here you can say point-to-point and the network and intranet and core. These are all the headers for the program. Now we are creating a one server and one client. So basically this point-to-point network, the server will send the data to the client, or the client send the data to the server, and server echo the data to the client. Again the client echo the data. So this is called the echo server operation. Now we can see the main function. So basically we are configuring the UDP echo client and also UDP echo server. So echo means first the node 0 send the data to node 1. The node 1 echo the data to the node 0, right? So this is a basic operation in this program, and the data rate is 5 Mbps and the delay is 2 milliseconds. So now we are using the IPv4, that means IP address 4. So we are assuming, and the default gateway here, and also this is for NetAnim setup. So UDP echo server done. Actually how it's work means, first we set up a server. This server setup, the client send the data to the server, it means n1. So it will start 1.0 second and it's end with 10 seconds, and again the server echoes the data back to the client. It start 2.0 second and it's end with 10 seconds. Here you can see. So this operations output here you can see. Now I am going to show the virtualized animation output. So for that, move one file back. Ls, you can see here net-anim. So go into the directory, open the net-anim, then open the file. So here you can see animation XML. So basically we create two nodes, right? N1 and N0. I am running here. You can see first 2 seconds the data will be sent, again it back to the client. So this is a simple operation. This is a node to node communication.